Welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. I am so excited, over the moon today, because a friend of mine, Tommy G. Parker, just choreographed a sensational line dance to the newest song, the hit song by Beyonce, Texas Hold'em. So here we go. It's 64 counts, and it is so fun. Are you ready? So we start on our left foot, weight on left. We're going to do kicks and hitches and kicks and flicks. So it's the first 4 counts are kick, kick, side, hitch, front, kick, side, flick, side, kick, side, flick, back, kick, side, flick, side. And the counts are 1 and 2 and, it's easier, faster. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And you can use your hand to slap your boots. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. So the steps are, after the kicks and the hitch and the flicks, slapping, it's 5, right foot, ball, change, heel with the left, and cross with the right. So the counts are 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. With words, then with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, hitch, kick, flick, kick, flick, kick. With words and with the hands, it's kick, hitch, kick, flick, kick, flick, kick, flick. Step, behind and heel and cross. Okay, with counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Yes, second 8. We do another and cross with the right foot, left foot behind. Now we cross with the left, so we're going to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder with these jazz boxes. So we're going to cross, step back, step side, and then cross again. Cross, step back, step side, step together. So we just did the last of our, and cross. We do another one to start the next 8. And 1, cross left, step back right, step to the side left, cross right. Now cross again with the left foot. Cross, step back, step side, step together. And the counts are, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then we do, that's the second 8. Third 8, two walks forward and a cross unwind. So starting with the right foot, walk, cross, unwind. Good. And Tommy does it with his knees kind of bent, because now we're going to do the guns. So we did walk, cross, unwind. We do shoot 'em, blow it out, blow it out. How cute is that? Okay, so let's try that. So we just did our cross, step back, step. Okay, right foot. Walk, cross, right, unwind, shoot 'em, shoot, blow it out, blow it out. One more time with words from the third 8. Starting with the right foot. 1. Starting with the right foot with words. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, cross, unwind to the 3 o'clock wall. We just do a half turn. Shoot it, blow it out, blow it out. Yes. So we start at the 12 o'clock. After our jazz box turns, we end at the 9 o'clock. Now we're going to go to the 3 o'clock with a half turn uncross. So right, left, cross right, turn over your left shoulder, half a turn, unwind, then gun, gun, blow it out, blow it out. Good, 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 good. With counts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now make sure your weight's on your left foot because we're going to do paddle turns over our left shoulder, a full turn. So we start with our right foot, paddle, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So it's a full paddle turn over your left shoulder with your right foot doing the work. So we just did our blow it out, paddle, 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 and a V step, out, out, in, in. Good, with counts, out and paddle, 2, 3, 4, and V step. Good, with counts, from the top, 5, 6, start over here, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. That's the first 32 counts. So let's do it. So I moved because this one travels this way a lot. So I'm going to start, and our right foot's free because we did right, left for the V. So we're going to cross with the right foot, cross, steps to the side left, ball change heel with the right foot, and then and cross, right to the side, left behind, and right to the side of the left foot. So it looks like this. We just did our V. We do cross, left, ball, change, heel, and cross, step, behind, together. Yes. Okay, with counts. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So I know if I do my heel on 4, I'm good. Next 8. Our left foot's free. So we're going to do a toe to the side and a heel to the front. Then we're going to hop and change, toe and heel. Then we're going to do 4 heel switches, and left and right and left and right. Good. So it starts with the left foot, just moving, so I need room. Starts with the left foot with a toe. So toe to the side, heel to the front, and then right toe to the side, right heel to the front, and then 4 heel switches, and left and right and left and right and. Okay, with counts. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Good. Let's put those two together. So we're staying right here at the 3 o'clock wall for the last 32 counts. So we start with our right foot. Cross, step, ball, change, heel, and cross, step, behind, together, and toe, heel, and toe, heel, and heel, and heel, and heel, and heel, and. Good. With count, sorry. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Now we do the same thing, but with our left foot, traveling more that way. So I'm going to move again. So we start with our left foot. We're going to do the same thing that we did with our right foot. I call it mirroring with our left foot. So we're going to go cross with the left, step to the side with the right, ball change with the left, and a heel. Ball change, heel, and cross. Left does the and the right does the cross. Step left to the side, right behind, and left together. Okay, so we just did our heel and heel and heel and heel and. Left foot starts, cross, step, ball change, heel and cross, step, behind, together. Then we do the toe thing with our right foot now. We did it with our left, now we do it with our right. So toe to the side, heel to the front, and left toe to the side, left heel to the front, and then 4 heel switches. Right and left and right and left and. So make sure you do the and, because we're going to start over the all 64 counts and our right foot needs to be free. We're going to start over on the 3 o'clock wall. Okay, let's put the last half together. Here we go, with words and then with counts. From the top, the second 32 counts of the dance. Start with the right foot and cross, left, ball change, heel and cross, step, behind, together, toe, heel and toe, heel and heel and heel and heel and heel and cross, step, ball change, heel and cross, step, behind, step, toe, heel and toe, heel and heel and heel and heel and heel and. Yes, counts. This is it. This is the last part. The last 32. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Yes, that's it. You're on YouTube, you can stop it, you can slow it down, you can rewind it, learn it fast. So we just did our cross, step, ball change, heel and cross, step, behind, step, toe, heel and toe, heel and heel and heel and heel and heel. And we do 2 hip bumps to the left and 2 hip bumps to the right. And then we start again. So it's only 4 counts. It's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then we start again, so we've got to switch your weight back because you're going to do the kick again. So we cut off the last left side of the 64 counts, if that makes sense. So that's the first tag and restart. And what a tag is just 4 counts of the music that needs to be filled because she starts singing from the top again on her song, Beyonce. So that's the tag. The restart is on wall 4 after 32 counts. So it's right after our V. So you're ready to do the flicks and the kicks and the hitches. Okay, that's it. Thank you, Tommy G. Parker, for this wonderful, wonderful creative choreography. Bye, y'all.